What if I told you that every time your parrot repeats your words, it's not just copying, it's trying to connect, communicate, and even survive in your world? Imagine coming home to a voice that isn't humans saying, "Hello, sweetie," or "Want a treat?" For parrot owners, that's not fantasy, it's daily life. But have you ever wondered why these brilliant birds mimic us so perfectly? It's not random. It's not accidental. It's one of the most sophisticated forms of animal communication on Earth, and it all comes down to hidden triggers rooted deep in their psychology, evolution, and social instincts. Let's start with a simple but powerful truth. Parrots don't mimic just to entertain us. In the wild, they don't copy other species, they copy each other. Their ability to replicate sounds is part of how they survive and belong. So when a parrot in your home starts saying, "I love you," something profound is happening beneath the surface. Think about the first time your parrot spoke. Maybe it startled you, maybe it made you laugh. But in that moment, your bird wasn't just making noise, it was building a bridge. Parrots are flock animals. In nature, their calls help them stay connected, warn of danger, and strengthen social bonds. When you bring a parrot into your home, you become its flock. And mimicking your speech is its way of saying, "You're one of us." But why your words? Why not just chirp or squawk like other birds? Because parrots are masters of adaptation. They're intelligent, observant, and emotionally tuned in. They notice which sounds get the biggest reactions, which words make you smile, laugh, or come closer. And they learn, through trial and error, that certain phrases bring rewards. Attention. Treats, interaction. Your parrot isn't just parroting, it's problem-solving. Now, let's break down the 4 key triggers that activate this incredible ability. The first trigger is social bonding. Parrots are deeply social creatures. In the wild, sharing calls and songs helps maintain group cohesion. In your living room, your voice becomes part of their social soundtrack. When your parrot mimics you, it's often trying to strengthen your bond to say, "I'm here with you." That's why many parrots learn greetings first. "Hello," "Good morning," "How are you?" Because those are moments of connection. The second trigger is environmental stimulation. Parrots are curious and easily bored. A quiet, unchanging environment can leave them understimulated, and that's when they often turn to mimicry as a form of mental exercise. Repeating words, phrases, or even household sounds like telephones or microwaves gives their brains a workout. It's like solving a puzzle, matching sound to context, tone to meaning. The third trigger is emotional mirroring. Parrots are remarkably empathetic. They pick up on your mood, your excitement, your sadness, your frustration, and sometimes reflect it back through speech. If you often say "it's okay" in a soothing tone when you're calm, your parrot might repeat that phrase when it senses tension. It's not just repeating, it's responding, trying to comfort you or join your emotional state. And the fourth trigger is reinforcement. This is where your behavior shapes theirs. If your parrot says, "Want a nut?" and you give it one, you've just taught it that those words have power. Positive reinforcement, whether it's treats, attention, or play, encourages them to repeat certain sounds. They learn that speech is a tool, a way to get what they want or simply to keep you engaged. But here's what's even more fascinating. Not all parrots mimic equally. Some species, like African greys and Amazons, are famously vocal. Others, like cockatiels or lovebirds, may whistle or mimic shorter sounds. Age also matters. Younger parrots are often more impressionable, just like human children. And individual personality plays a role too. A shy parrot might whisper. A bold one might shout your name across the house. So what does this mean for you and your feathered friend? Understanding these triggers can help you communicate better. If you want to encourage speech, focus on repetition, emotion, and reward. Use clear, simple words in positive contexts. Speak with enthusiasm. And pay attention to what your parrot is trying to tell you, because behind every pretty bird or step up, there's a mind reaching out, trying to belong. In the end, when your parrot mimics you, it's doing more than copying sounds. It's weaving itself into your life. It's learning your rhythms, your emotions, your world. And in its own way, it's saying, I see you, I hear you. And I want to be part of your story. Have you taught your parrot to say something surprising? Share your best mimicry moment in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Pet Mind Reader for more insights into what your pets are really thinking.